Hello everyone. In previous video, we saw that how can we calculate the number of consonants that are present inside a sentence. In this video, we will see into a program where we will be taking input of a word from the user and we will be checking whether the word that is entered by user is palindrome or not. We know that palindrome word is a word when we see from front side and from back sides, both the ways it is the same. For example, Malayalam, mom, wow. So this kind of words are palindrome words. So we will directly go to BlueJ and see how can we write the program related to this question. First of all, I will create one class. Simply take name as palindrome. In this, I will take input from user using buffer class. So for that, I will import java.io package. I will create one string str which will have the word inside it, character to extract each and every character at every index, and one integer variable I just to traverse from each and every index value. I will then create one method calculate that will help us to calculate and check whether our string is palindrome or not. I will create buffer class object, as we have to take input of string using buffer. I will write one sentence that will get print on console and it will ask the user to enter a word. Now we have to take input and store inside our string variable, so str equals to br dot readline. And now this will show one error, and this is just to remove an exception related to IO. So we will simply write throw statement throws IO exception. This will remove our error. Now for checking the palindrome word, we need to find the reverse order of our entered word. So for finding the reverse, I will start from the very last index of my word and then we will go to our first index that is present. We will extract each and every character from the last index and then we will find the reverse of our word. Then we will check whether our reversed word and our entered word both are same or not. So for finding the reverse, I will use for loop. I value will be the very last index of our string. So that would be str dot length minus 1, because we already know that our last index is always one less than the length of our string, and we have to go up till our I value is greater than equal to 0. We will keep on extracting the character that is present at that particular index, and then we will keep on storing in one new string variable that is rev. So rev equals to rev plus character, and here I will take one more variable of string rev. So this will keep on calculating the reverse of our string. Now outside this, I will check if my original string is equal to my reverse string. So for that we have two methods using which we can check. We cannot directly check the equality of two strings using equal to operator. We have to make use of method that is either equals or dot compare to. So I will show you first equals method. Str dot equals brackets, we have to write another variable, that is rev. If this is the case, then simply we will print that our word is palindrome, else it is not palindrome. And then we will create main method that will create the object of our class, and then we will call our method calculate. So palindrome word pw equals to new palindrome word, and then pw dot calculate. So this is how we can do palindrome word checking. Before this, it will ask us to add throws statement, so throws IO exception. Before going for extracting each and every character, we have to initialize the value of rev to an empty string, that is open inverted commas and close inverted commas inside which there is nothing. If we don't do this, then rev will have value as null, and null will keep on concatenating with the characters that we have extracted. If I compile and then see our output, Malayalam, then it is giving that our word is palindrome. Now, the second type of method which I told you is dot compare to. So for that we have to use dot compare to, and then insert parameters again our second string, and this will give us the value as integer type. So whenever two strings are equal, then this method should always give us value as 0. So if str and rev both are same, then it will always give us the value as 0. So if we compile and check whether our output is correct or not, then again entering the same word, that is Malayalam, and it is giving that our word is palindrome. If I enter any other word like India, then it is not a palindrome word, because both this from start and end, it is not the same. So this was how we can check whether our entered word is palindrome or not. If you have any other query related to this program, then you can ask your query in comment section. And if you have any other questions that you are not able to solve, then you can send your questions on my mail ID. So that's it for this video. See you in the next one.